Hazrat Humayd bin Abdul Rahman has reported from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whosoever gives a pair of something in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will be called from the gates of paradise. O Allah's bondsmen, it is better. Those who perform prayer will be called from the prayer gate, and those who participate in holy war will be called from the jihad gate. And those who keep fast will be called from the Rayyan gate, and those who give alms will be called from the charity gate." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my parents be sacrificed for you. There is no speciality for the one who is called from any of those doors. Is there anyone who will be called from all the gates?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yes, and I hope you are also one of them." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1897.